Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a skybox in ThreeJS. So here you can see we are displaying sky along with the sun in ThreeJS. So this is daytime. You can also make it nighttime, which I will show you later on. So first let's see how to achieve this. So this is the output. Okay, so I am using Vite, so I have created one simple project using Vite, but you can use any web framework you prefer. Then using Vite I have just created a normal HTML, CSS and TypeScript project. Then inside package.json I have included two dependency. The in dev dependency I have included @type/3 because I am using TypeScript, and inside dependency I have included 3, which is for ThreeJS. Ignore this Vite plugin GLSL, you don't really need this. This was just part of my debugging. Then inside I'll just close this. Inside, okay, we don't need this as well. Inside index.html I have just created one canvas element of id canvas. Position is fixed, top left 0, outline none, and here we are referencing our TypeScript file as well. Then I have created this TypeScript file, and here you can see that these are all the imports. There are a lot of unused imports as well, which you can ignore. So these are all the imports, and we have also imported orbit controls as well as sky. Then we are getting hold of our canvas. I have created one scene, then I have created sky. I have set the scalar for it, and I have included sky inside our scene. Then I have created one sun as well. Then we are getting the pixel ratio. I have creating the sizes, which is for width, height. I'm not sure if we require resolution as well or not. Do we? Yeah, we do require resolution. Okay, so I'll just set it with resolution as well as pixel ratio. Then we just create our camera. So this is important, how you are setting your camera, how your position of your camera is. If you change this value, then you might not be able to see your entire skybox, so you will have to play around with these values. Choose whatever you feel is right for your project. So do play around with this position as well as this particular values of how far and how close the camera should be. Then I have just created orbit controls. I have created a WebGL renderer as well. I have set the size of our renderer as well as pixel ratio. Then here we are created our sky parameters. Now these parameters are important, so this, with the help of this, you can change the daytime or nighttime of your scene. So I'll show you how you can change it later on with an easy trick. Then I have created this update sky. So here we are just assigning values, like I have just copy pasted it from the documentation, so don't worry too much about it. And here we are just calling that method. On resize we are just updating all these values as well as our camera and setting the size as well as pixel ratio. And here we are creating our clock, and inside this tick function we are just calling this tick function every frame per second. So here you can see I'm able to move this as well. This is because of the orbit controls. Typically you don't want your background to move, but yeah, if you don't want that, you can just disable orbit control, so it's up to you. So now how do I convert this to a night shader, right? So for that, what you can do is you can go to this ThreeJS WebGL. So go to this particular link and you can play around with these values. So here you can see I can just make it turbidity, something like that. I'm not even sure how to pronounce all this. So here you can just play around with these values, and whatever value you are satisfied with, so just make a note of all these values and you just have to replace it over here. That's it. That's how you can achieve any time of the day you are using these particular values. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.